And welcome back to our channel. If you're new, hello, my name is Mimi, and in today's upload I'm going to give you 5 websites to visit if you're looking to making some extra dollars on the side working from home with your expertise. So if this is the content you're looking for, then please hit the subscribe button so you get updated anytime I post a new video, and also give me a thumbs up. It helps the video reach out to a lot more people just like you who are looking for this same information. So without wasting much of your time, coming in at number 1 is Fiverr. Fiverr connects businesses with digital services in 300 plus categories. Okay, so Fiverr is a get-to-go place if you're looking to making some extra money with your expertise. I'm a web developer who couldn't work full-time because of pregnancy complications. I created Fiverr, where I get to build websites for people. Now, it wasn't full-time, and it's still not full-time. I get to work as and when I'm free. Coming in at number 2 is JustAnswer. Now, this website allows you answer questions online in your field of expertise and get paid. Now, how cool is that? For instance, if you're a doctor looking to answering questions for people in the medical field, for people who are looking for answers in the medical field, now this is for you. But make sure all your licenses are intact, okay? Because people on this site pay huge sums of money to get those answers. So the next one is AppWork. AppWork is similar to Fiverr, okay? It's also a marketplace for freelancers. So now head over to appwork.com to get started. So friends, I know you forgot to hit the subscribe button. Please do, and also give me a thumbs up because it's free and it motivates me. It also helps the video to get out there for people just like you who are looking for the same information. So number 4 is something cool for my women in STEM who are looking for full-time remote jobs. So if y'all are there, comment hi in the comment sections and tell me how y'all are doing. So head over to jobs.witty.work to get started. This platform basically brings female STEM talent and companies together. It's a niche job platform that addresses female STEM talent. And the last one is freelancers.com. On here you get to browse freelancers jobs, okay? And there are tons and tons of opportunities on freelancers.com for you. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, then by all means do hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out when I post a new video, and also give me that thumbs up.